Who would like to explain our math problem? Yes, bud.
There was a chocolate bar eating contest.
Okay.
The results were Philip ate 1/2, Rama ate 1/4, and Kaden ate
3/4.
3/4, and today's ate 6. He ate 360.
He ate 3/6. Now, I have a question for you. Are the chocolate bars all different sizes?
No. Same sizes.
They're all the same size. So, when you go to solve your problem with your partners, think about, we drew a picture of what the chocolate bar looks like. All right, we even put the measurements in centimeters so you can draw the same thing. Now think about, what fractions are you going to draw your chocolate bars into, and how are we going to shade it in? Look at our anchor chart of how we've shaded in fractions before. All right, that will help you get your answer. And then all you have to tell me is who ate the most, who ate the most of their chocolate bar. Okay? So we drew all our chocolate bars now. So we have Philip here who ate half his chocolate bar. We have Rama who ate 1/4. We have Caden who ate 3/4. And then we have Sudais who ate 3/6. If we look at our picture, who ate the most of their chocolate bar?
Sudais.
You think Sudais did? Why?
I think because 6 is the most bigger banana.
But look at, I want you to look at something, Caden. Look at the pieces here. Our Sudais has 6 pieces, but are his pieces bigger than your pieces that are 4?
Mine is more bigger, so I win.
You ate the most.
I ate the most. I know you did. I know I did too.
So, do you see how that works?
Yes,
Because, look at, Sudais, he actually ate the same amount as who? Did he eat the same amount as Rama, or did he eat the same amount as Philip? What do you think?
Rama.
So Rama's here. Do you think he ate the same? Do you think he ate the same amount as Rama?
No.
What do you think?
I mean, Philip.
So they both ate what of the chocolate bar?
So today.
They both really ate what? You can say it out loud.
Half.
They both ate half of the chocolate bar. So even though
You
Sudais,
should say it like this. Half. Half.
so even though Sudais, he had more pieces, he still only ate half of his. So the question was kind of tricky, but it was to show you that different fractions, even though they're written differently, could be the same size. Okay.
Good job.
Can you explain to me how you figured out who ate the most chocolate bar, most of their chocolate bar?
I figured out that Kaden ate the most of this chocolate bar. I figured because in this one, Sudais only ate 3 of his. He had 6 left, and that's half. So he ate half, and I ate half.
Okay, and then, so Caden ate 3/4 of his, so he ate almost all of his.
Yep. So he's the winner. And Rama lost.
And Rama, how much did Rama eat?
She ate 104.
So, looking at Caden's, could you show me how much of she ate? Because if they both ate a chocolate bar that had 4 pieces, how many pieces did Rama eat of it?
1.
Just 1 of them. So yeah, so fantastic work. And I like the way that you drew these and you shaded the parts in that the people ate. I think that's a good way to organize your thinking. So I think our next step is just to now write our final sentence to say who won the chocolate bar eating competition, okay? So
I ate the most.
many of us thought that Sudais ate the most of the chocolate bar because he ate 6 because his chocolate bar had 6 pieces to it. But remember, all the chocolate bars were the same size. So what do you notice about the pieces? If Philip's chocolate bar only had 2 pieces, how did the size of his pieces compare to, say, Sudais' chocolate bar? Are they bigger or are they smaller? Yeah?
They're the same size.
Well, the whole chocolate bar is the same size, but what about the individual pieces?
That one's half.
So who's got bigger pieces?
Oh, yeah. That one.
Who's got more pieces? So
No.
the smaller the bottom number, and that's called the denominator in our fraction, is the bigger the pieces are. So many of you thought because Sudais ate 3 of his pieces that he ate the most, but really his pieces were a lot smaller. And in the end, we figured out once we drew it that who ate the most?
Kaden, I did.
You did. Because you ate almost, how many pieces of your chocolate bar were left?
1, 2, 3. 3.
Well, you ate 3 of them, so we had just the one little piece left. But for Sudais, we made a connection.
And I ate.
Sudais had how much of his chocolate bar left?
3.
Yeah?
3.
He had...
1, 2, 3.
So he ate 3 and he had 3 left. So that means how much of it was left?
3, 6.
Well, say it in a different fraction. Can you think of it? How much was left over?
What?
Not 1/3. What do you think?
6.
If there was 3 on this side and 3 on this side, you
Half
just
and
broke.
half.
Yeah.
How did you know?
So
How did I just know?
there was half left over. So when we look at this, sometimes fractions, we need to compare them because we want to look at the different sizes of the pieces. Sometimes smaller fractions mean that there's bigger, or smaller denominator means that there's bigger pieces. Okay, so this was a bit of a tricky question, but I wanted to see if we could use pictures to compare fraction sizes to find out who ate more. And I think we learned a very cool lesson, and we figured out our answer. All right, so tomorrow we're going to work on something, and we're going to use something new called the quiz and air rubs.
What's